Hi, it's Elmer from Supreme Home Cash Buyer. And you might be thinking, what happens when you sell your house to a real estate investor? How does it work? Are they going to give me a lowball offer? Are there fees involved? Well, here are your answers. What we do is buy properties from homeowners who find themselves in urgent situations. It may need repairs before it can sell on the market. So rather than you spending your money and time to repair, finding contractors, or dealing with realtors and pay commissions when it sells, you might consider calling Supreme Home Cash Buyer. We can close in as little as 7 days. Your fresh start is coming soon. All you have to do is click Get Offer button below and fill in a few details, or give us a quick call, 1-800-499-3359. We'll collect more details about your property, give you a fair cash offer, and then you can decide from there. We're looking forward to chatting with you.